Irish referees! Don't come off.
Huh?
Don't come off.
Oh, I thought you said it had.
When it gets to the top, if the grey side is faced, you want the white side outwards. As soon as it gets to the top, grab the nose with one hand and try and spin it. Because if it ends up with its mouth towards your kayak, you'll never get the hook out back.
Come on, you pussy.
I tell you, it's my pinch mate to that. That's coming up pretty fucking quick.
It is, isn't it?
I don't think anyone else pulled their first skate up that sharp, eh?
He's not giving it any fucking leeway. He's giving it.
Fucking quarter.
Yeah, he's giving it some right fucking
Some of
teddy.
the others, when they first have one, they're just sitting there, don't think you can put that match on, and after half an hour, I'm like, look, you've got to pull it hard, or you're going to sit there all day.
At the end of the day, you try breaking 50-pound line with a rod. It ain't happening, is it? You're on vid.
Hello. My name's Shadwell.
I got a big skate on. Oh, leader. We've got leader. I can't see fuck all. Pardon the French. Is it a doggy? I think the answer is no.
I should miss out then.
Literally, or?
No, I think I will slap and drag him for a little bit just in case he.
I've seen you chase, but it's too dark to see the fish.
Fish. No, I've seen the fish.
Oh, I see. Your bait's right up the line. There he is.
It's not that big. Right, what do I do with that now, Lord?
Right, I got you on vid now. It's videoing, alright? That's a cracking fish, mate. I reckon it's close to a one of Law's. Got to be a ton fish. You were right, 80, 90, maybe a ton.
About what size I said, isn't it? About 90.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Anyway, have a tag in it.
I don't know, I just gonna try and get the hook out now.
That's halfway up already.
Fucking animal, fair play.
That's a pathetic fish. Now you can do it. No, it's just come off.
Oh. Oh, you probably pull his mouth off.
Son of a bitch. I wonder if I've got bait left.
Go on. That's what all this weather's good for. Well, here we are on the Thursday. It doesn't look like it, but this is our weather window.
And our last chance.
Our last chance. 400 foot of water. Or 410. Bobbing about. GB.
Got a penny. Ain't got a pound.
Can't find them. Stephen Laws. John. I think you're on the camera, John. I have to guess. And me. The boys all want to skate. I'm not so sure in these conditions. I'm willing to pass today. Speak to me later. Well out. This is Mr. Bowen into his first skate. You can't see the rod behind his ample frame, but it's rather bent. Get on with it! You gaining anything? Get it some snicker! I'll be...
Hey, come on, baby. Oh, you bastard. Ah.
Get him up, boy.